Did you know that some of your daily skincare habits might be doing more harm than good? Every day we subject our skin to a multitude of products and practices, some beneficial, others not so much. Today we'll uncover 8 common skincare mistakes you might be making and how to fix them for healthier, glowing skin. Mistake 1. Over-cleansing your skin. Over-cleansing strips your skin of its natural oils. Cleanse twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Mistake 2. Using hot water to wash your face. While a hot shower might seem relaxing, hot water can damage your skin's protective barrier, leading to dryness and inflammation. Opt for lukewarm water when washing your face. This gentle approach helps to preserve your skin's natural moisture balance. Mistake 3. Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen is crucial for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. These rays can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days or when indoors. Mistake 4. Not moisturizing enough. Regardless of your skin type, moisturizing is essential for maintaining your skin's hydration and barrier function. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it morning and night. This will keep your skin supple, resilient, and healthy. Mistake 5. Over-exfoliating. Overdoing it can cause irritation and damage. Gentle exfoliation reveals a brighter complexion and unclogs pores. Over-exfoliating strips natural oils, causing irritation and sensitivity. Limit exfoliation to 2 to 3 times a week with gentle products. Treat your skin with kindness for a radiant glow. Mistake 6. Ignoring your neck and décolletage. Your neck and décolletage are just as prone to aging and sun damage as your face. Extend your skincare routine to these areas by cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen daily. Mistake 7. Using expired skincare products can be detrimental to our skin. Expired products can become breeding grounds for bacteria, leading to skin irritation and breakouts. Regularly check the expiration dates on your products and dispose of any that are past their prime. Mistake 8. Sleeping with makeup on clogs pores and prevents your skin from repairing itself overnight. This can lead to a buildup of dirt, oil, and bacteria, increasing the risk of breakouts. Always remove your makeup before bed using a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil. Outro. Avoid these common skincare mistakes for healthier skin. Like, subscribe, and share your routine in the comments.